Hello guys and welcome on DreamingAI. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the new Meta suite of AI models dedicated to music generation. It's called AudioCraft. I will quickly explain two models inside of it, Music Gen and Audio Gen. Audio Gen is the AI model that will generate environmental sounds and sound effects like the sound of a bell, a musical instrument, and so on. Here an example, the text prompt for it is whistling with wind blowing. Instead, Music Gen is the AI model that will generate music. You can even use sample audio to generate your own music based on your favorite song. Keep in mind that if you want to run those models locally, besides the installation of every dependency meticulously described on the Meta project GitHub, you will need a GPU with at least 16 gigabytes of memory with the medium-sized models for 1.5 billion parameters. So, for the purpose of this tutorial, we will instead proceed to use Colab, because I don't have a GPU with that much VRAM. Also, the Colab method is the one that usually lasts the longest, as things like hugging face after a while tend to get deleted or paused. By the way, let's start. In this video, we are going to see how to use Music Gen. First of all, from the project GitHub, go to the Models section and click on Music Gen. This will open a page describing all the features, limitations, and biases of the model. Click on Open in Colab. If you have a Google account, you don't have to worry about anything as you already have a Colab account automatically. But if you don't, you will have to register first. And once in Colab's Music Gen page, simply click on Play and wait for the end of the operation where you will be given a link to click on similar to the one I am showing you. And you will finally see the main Music Gen page. Enter an input text, the description of the music you would like to be generated, and leaving everything unchanged. Click Submit. Wait a few seconds, and you will be able to hear and possibly download the sample. If you wish, you can also add a song of your choice to your prompt, which will be used as a reference for generating the sample. You can also increase the duration, but remember that the longer it is, the longer Music Gen will take to generate sample. Perfect. Now you know how to use Music Gen. Feel free to try to play with the parameters and use the other models if you want. If you found this tutorial enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more fascinating content. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section below. And until next time, keep dreaming.